मुश्किलों से प्यार प्यार
And with him, okay, धर लो थोड़ा. Ladies and gentlemen, the current heartthrob, Pashmina Roshan. नहीं कहूंगा, महिलाएं रो रही हैं जयपुर में और यही इंसान रिस्पॉन्सिबल है. जिब्रान खान, ladies and gentlemen. There comes the rock star. And now, ladies and gentlemen, give it up for Naila Greva. तुम लोग कॉन्फिडेंस देख रहे हो वहां से जब चारों चल के आए हैं, बिकॉज द लव दैट यू ऑल हैव गिवन टू देयर सॉन्ग्स, टू द टीजर इज फिनोमिनल. एक बार जोरदार तालियां. एंड बातचीत करने के लिए बहुत कुछ है, लेकिन उससे पहले दिस इज द फर्स्ट टाइम दैट वील गेट टू मीट योर डायरेक्टर साहब. सो लेडीज एंड जेंटलमैन, निपुण अविनाश धर्माधिकारी.
इश्क इश्क प्यार प्यार आंखों ही
And now, ladies and gentlemen, the man who's backed it all, अपनी पूरी माइट के साथ और अपने पूरे इमोशंस के साथ इस लेगेसी को आगे ले जा रहे हैं. Give it up for Mr. Ramesh Taurani. बनवा दिया है आपने. दिस इज आउटस्टैंडिंग. निपुण सर, यूं तो अभी बातें बहुत सारी करनी है, लेकिन मैं चाहूंगा शुरुआत में, बिफोर वी सी द ट्रेलर, इफ यू हैड टू से समथिंग टू ऑल आवर फ्रेंड्स हियर जो मीडिया से आए हैं, जो इन चारों स्टार्स के फैंस हैं, उनके लिए क्या बोलना चाहेंगे सर?
पहले इश्क विश्क ने हमें शाहिद कपूर जैसा स्टार दिया था. इस इश्क विश्क रिबाउंड से हमें 4 स्टार्स मिलने वाले हैं. थैंक यू सो मच.
रमेश सर, बहुत सारे सवाल हैं, as I said, but I would want you to welcome everyone, sir.
I'm very happy that such a huge crowd has come, and I think you will love the trailer, and at the same time, you will love the film also.
Wow.
Thank you.
Wow. Pashmina, one word for this entire thing that is happening, और इस समय क्या चल रहा है?
I can't just concise it in one word, but I'm feeling so overwhelmed. Thank you so much, everybody, for being here. It's something else. If I say more, I'm going to start crying now.
Rohit, what do you have to say? Right before the trailer.
Thank you so much for being here.
उधर से आवाज नहीं आ रहा है, उधर से.
This is unbelievable. Okay, stop it, guys, please. Thank you so much for being here. I am so happy. This is what my heart is made of. Thank you so much. This love really means the world to me. We're all so nervous today, but also so incredibly happy, because I cannot tell you how incredible it feels when a dream is realized, and it's a dream for all of us to be here in front of you guys and get this kind of love. Thank you so much, and I really cannot wait for all of you guys to watch the trailer. Thank you. I love you too. Thank you.
टूट पड़ो सब लोग. Okay. Naila, for you, quickly.
Real quick, I am firstly so thankful that all of you are here to support not only Rohit, but all of us, I hope. You know, we've obviously made this with a lot of heart, and to see so many cheers and so much of love is just so reassuring. So thank you, and there's lots more in store, so be ready.
Gibran, over to you.
Firstly, thank you. I mean, the nerves. But yeah, like this is just such a beautiful dream which I'm getting to share with these wonderful people on stage. Ramesh ji, thank you, thank you, thank you, thank you. Nipun sir, Jaya, can see you. I love you. And guys, thank you. This is so overwhelming. All of you all here. This is the best crowd here. Thank you so much, man. Thank you, thank you, thank you, thank you.
You know the vibe check. इसमें तो हम 100 number पा चुके हैं यहाँ पे. Quickly we'll all be seated. है ना? We'll take our seats and जिस काम के लिए आए हैं वो कर ही देते हैं. Ladies and gentlemen, the grand trailer of Ishq Vishk Rebound.
Nitin, I just want to say
Sir,
one
please,
thing.
please.
I just want to say one thing. जितना जोश आप लोग यहाँ दिखा रहे हो, please ये 21 जून को first day, first show थिएटरों में दिखाना. Thank you.
Thank you, Ramesh sir. Of course. Please. And now, ladies and gentlemen, all eyes on the. किस किस को चाहिए एक बड़ा सरप्राइज? Okay, मीडिया से हमारे फ्रेंड्स उनको भी चाहिए. First of all, congratulations. This is phenomenal. We'll start with the director साहब. Sir, digital domain हो, films हो या जो भी अब तक आपने काम किया, of course, जब आप कुछ रिव्यू करते हैं, कुछ बोलते हैं, वो भी बड़ा कमाल का होता है. You know, taking this legacy forward और इस तरह से कितनी responsibility थी और क्या-क्या instructions मिले थे रमेश सर की तरफ से?
यार इंस्ट्रक्शंस तो एक्चुअली कुछ नहीं मिले इनसे. ही गेव अ कंप्लीट फ्री हैंड. दैट वाज एन अमेजिंग थिंग. एंड रिस्पॉन्सिबिलिटी मैं इनके ही एक फेमस दिवाली पार्टी में गया था, पहली वाली, और वहाँ पे कैन घोष मिले थे, द फर्स्ट इश्क विश्क के डायरेक्टर. और हाय हेलो होने के बाद उन्होंने ये कहा था कि अच्छा तेरा एड्रेस है मेरे पास, आधार कार्ड, पैन कार्ड, सब कुछ है. अगर कुछ गड़बड़ हुई तो मैं आपके घर पे आने वाला हूँ और वहाँ पे गड़बड़ करूँगा. सो या नो प्रेशर आई गेस. ऑल गुड.
आई एम श्योर सर, क्योंकि जो भी हमने बड़े पर्दे पे देखा, एज आई सेड, इट हैज एवरीथिंग. प्यार है, मोहब्बत है, दैट इंटेंसिटी, एवरीथिंग. लेडीज एंड जेंटलमैन, निपुण सर के लिए एक बार जोरदार तालियां हो जाएं.
थैंक यू.
रमेश सर, मेरा अगला सवाल आपके लिए है. ऑफ कोर्स पहले जब इश्क विश्क आई थी तब भी उसके गाने बहुत बहुत ज्यादा फेमस हो गए थे. इस समय भी समझ नहीं आ रहा है कौन से वाले गाने को लूप पे सुने, बिकॉज एवरीथिंग इज सो फिनोमिनल, एवरीथिंग इज सो अमेजिंग. तो ये स्ट्रैटेजी थी सर, पहले से गाने देख के सबको लत लगवा दें हम यहाँ पे?
हाँ, डेफिनेटली, क्योंकि हमारा हमेशा टिप्स में हमेशा ये ध्यान रहा है कि हमेशा हमारी पिक्चरों का म्यूज़िक बहुत अच्छा हो और पिक्चर भी बहुत अच्छी हो, लेकिन म्यूज़िक पे हम लोग बहुत एक्स्ट्रा ध्यान देते हैं. और इस पिक्चर में 6 के 6 गाने, आप जब अभी तो 3 आए हैं, एक और आने वाला है अभी, और 2 गाने आई थिंक रिलीज के बाद आएंगे. बट पीपल विल लव ऑल द सॉन्ग्स. ऑल यंगस्टर्स विल लव द सॉन्ग.
ऑलरेडी सर हेड ओवर हील्स हैं हम. We're loving the songs, each and every song. Rohit, this one's for you. I know सबको इस बात का जवाब जानना है. You know, ऑडियंस के प्रति आपकी रिस्पॉन्सिबिलिटी है ऑफ कोर्स, बट यू हैव दिस अमेजिंग फैंडम. तो ये कहीं ना कहीं थोड़ा ज्यादा प्रेशर डालता है कि यार मुझे बाकी सबको तो अच्छा फील कराना है, लेकिन अच्छा काम करना है ताकि ये एक एक इंसान जो यहाँ पे बैठा है उसका जो भरोसा है, जो प्यार है, और ज्यादा मिले मुझे.
Thank you, Nitin, for that question. Thank you. Thank you so much for all the love. I honestly, sir, it's the other way around. It's not, मुझे pressure feel नहीं होता, मुझे actually बहुत अच्छा feel होता है. I feel very secure. Taking leaps and doing work that I haven't done before, exploring genres that I haven't before, taking risks. I actually feel very secure because I know that I have a fan base that will support me no matter what. So it's actually an incredible feeling. Thank you.
Lovely. Pashmina, this one's for you. Please tell me the last time we'd met. तब आपने बोला था आप नर्वस हो, लेकिन तब से लेके अब तक ईच एंड एवरी यूनिट जो भी आया है, टीजर बोलो, गाने बोलो, इतना प्यार मिल रहा है, यहाँ जो रिस्पॉन्स इस ट्रेलर को मिला है, अब इट्स ऑल सेटल्ड, वो सेटल वाली फीलिंग आ रही है?
नर्वस तो मैं अभी भी हूँ, बस थोड़ा छुपाना आ गया है. बट नो, टुडे आई फील extremely emotional. It's a big, big day for all of us, and to see the response that everyone gave, to see my mama sitting there, it was, I swear they played the trailer the first time, and I was so scared. Oh my God, thank you. I sat there, I felt the love that each and every one of you are giving us, and I have tears in my eyes. I had tears in my eyes there. I hope my makeup is fine.
Thank you so much. Thank you so much for sharing that. Gibran, खबर आ रही है गली मोहल्ले में कि जी हाँ, जयपुर में यही वो इंसान है, यही वो चेहरा है जिसके लिए लड़कियां रो रही थी. What do you have to say? The kind of response that you've got.
Go Gibran! Gibran!
फर्स्टली आपको ट्रेलर कैसा लगा गाइस? आवाज नहीं आ रहा है. Yes. Okay, wow. Okay. Okay, honestly, I'm a bit numb right now with this, everything which is happening around me. This has been a dream, and I don't want to bore you all with this, but I actually am not being able to process this because it's so beautiful, and I don't know, man, that just Rohit saying is Ishq Vishk ke chakkar ne band baja di. That is just playing in my heart. And yeah, there is a lot of pressure. I mean, we really want to make everyone feel the love. We want people to come back to cinema and enjoy the simple love stories because we've put in a lot of effort, a lot of hard work, and I hope that transcends. And you all keep giving us the love which we all have been. And yeah, I forgot your question. Sorry. Yeah.
It's okay, आपने जवाब दे दिया, हम खुश हैं.
So thank you so much.
सिर्फ
Thank
इतना
you,
याद
guys.
रखना, यही वो चेहरा है. Okay, thank you so much. Naila, this one's for you. Quickly, you know, I'll ask you. ये मैंने सुना एक टॉपर बिहेवियर चल रहा है आपके साथ. You know, इंटरव्यूज में भी, you know, आप किल कर रहे हो और अभी वो अवार्ड्स के संग पिक्चर्स डाल रहे हो. What's with this टॉपर बिहेवियर of yours, man? Please tell us.
Oh, that's very sweet. Thanks, guys. No topper behavior, honestly. I'm so grateful to be getting this opportunity. Ramesh ji and Nipun sir have put in so much of faith and belief in all of us. We're all so new and so fresh, and I've come with no baggage of no award or nothing. I just want you all to enjoy the love that we have shown in this film. It's going to take you back to that quintessential love story that we all adored in the 90s and the 2000s, and it's back with a bang in 2024.
So 21st June is when we'll get to see it in theaters, ladies and gentlemen. And ek baar, we'll quickly go click, click, click. It's time for a quick photo op for all you amazing people, है ना? और उसके बाद, जैसा मैंने कहा था, फैंस के लिए एक सरप्राइज है मेरे पास. So, okay. So अभी यहाँ पे रमेश सर, निपुण सर, मैं आप लोगों से कहूँगा प्लीज अपनी सीट्स लीजिए बिकॉज आपके लिए भी कुछ बहुत एक्साइटिंग यहाँ पे होने वाला है. सारे फैंस को हम सरप्राइज दे रहे हैं यहाँ पे. जरा दिल ले आओ, कुछ पंक्तियां या पत्ते तोड़े उसमें से. कैन वी गेट दैट हार्ट या? यस, आई विल टेल यू क्या करने वाले हैं इससे. सो अब तक क्या होता था, हम लोग यहाँ पे अपने फेवरेट स्टार्स से सवाल पूछते थे, राइट? वील गेट अ मौका टू डू दैट. हमारे जो मीडिया के रॉक स्टार्स यहाँ पे आए हुए हैं, लेकिन फिलहाल के लिए कुछ फैंस से ये जो कास्ट है वो कुछ सवाल पूछने वाली है. और यहाँ आप सबके नाम हैं इन चिट्स में. सो देखते हैं किसका नंबर आता है और किससे रोहित, पश्मीना, जिब्रान और नायला अपने दिल का सवाल पूछते हैं. सो जिनका भी नाम निकलेगा, I'll invite the person on stage. Would request you to come up on stage. सबने दिया है ना अपना नाम? थैंक गॉड. नहीं, मेरे को तुम्ही से डर लग रहा था. अलग से मिलेगा हमको. ओके, सो रोहित प्लीज डू द ऑनर्स.
What I am supposed to rip out?
Yes, just any name, yeah.
Okay, fine. I like this name.
Pearl.
Pearl Jain.
Oh, there.
जैन साहब कहाँ हो आप?
Oh, hi. Hi, Pearl. How are you? Very good. Thank you for being here. I have a question for you. I have a question for you. Okay. What does love mean to you?
Switch it on.
If right now is the time you want to take my name, you can. Just saying.
Firstly, I love all of you. And honestly,
We love you too.
So honestly, I've never experienced love. Okay? But I think love is basically you need to be comfortable with the person, be completely yourself with
That's
the
what I
other
said,
person.
no? That's what I said. I like how we think together.
So the other person should actually be like the other half of yourself.
Is there more to it? Can I?
You want to add some?
You and I will chat after.
Oh.
Thank you so much. Thank you.
Thank you. Pashmina, yeah, your turn.
Okay.
सब ले लूंगा बाद में.
जी, Pashmina, your turn.
I pick Mr. Ayush Lodha. Where is he?
Ayush, लीजिए mic.
Hello, Ayush. Okay, my question for you is... Hello. My question for you is, what's the cutest thing you've done for your girlfriend? Or ex-girlfriend?
Okay, this is about like 2 years back. I was out of town, like I went for a trip, but then I had my 1-year anniversary with my girlfriend, and I had to do.
Oh, look at you being cute.
You...
Okay, so I'll continue.
One sec, but what anniversary?
First year,
1 year,
one
like
year
we dated
anniversary.
for 1 year. It was. I was out of town, so she had her favorite movie, To All the Boys I've Loved Before,
Ooh.
and
I love that film.
there's this agreement in that movie. So I made that agreement. I was busy at that time, and I made that agreement. I bought flowers online and I sent it to her. I mean, that's what I remember.
Oh my god,
that
that
is
is so
romantic.
cute.
That is quite
That's adorable. Can we have like a huge cheers for Ayush?
Thank you. Ma'am, I just can't get my eyes off you. You're looking very pretty today. Genuinely.
What about your girlfriend now?
We broke up.
I knew it.
Nice, played safe, bro. We were so shocked to know that you are single now.
Ayush is
Ma'am,
single.
I'm single right now.
I will keep it in mind.
Thank you, Ayush. Take care. Okay. Gibran, your turn.
Okay. नीचे से आदत नहीं है. Saisha Mathur. Where's Saisha? There's no Saisha. Where? I can't see. Oh God. Can you come lower?
Yeah.
What are you all seeing?
Arey, her silhouette.
Sorry. Okay, sorry.
Hello.
Hi.
Hi.
How are you?
I'm all
Good.
good. I just wanted to tell you that I find you really cute.
Thank you so much, but I can't see you to say that. I'm so sorry. Okay, now I can. And you're very, very, very pretty.
Thank you.
Hi. Okay, so my question is simple. I'm a little old school lover, so I want to know who was your first love and what was it like? Bachpan ka pyar.
तू नाम पूछ रहा है भाई?
Experience.
Like experience क्या था?
So I had a crush on my best friend. And
Oh, that is something I
Sounds
can relate
familiar.
to.
Sounds
Yes, sounds
familiar.
familiar.
Been there, done
Where
that.
have we seen that before?
Okay.
yeah, so it was around in 4th grade when we used to sit together, and so he used to get me chocolates and stuff every day, and that's how I like started loving him.
Oh, that's cute. And did it go ahead?
No, when he asked me out, I
Freaked out.
And said no.
Okay, fine. That's cute. Thank you. Thank you.
I
Thank you.
just have one request. Can I please get your autograph, please?
Of
Please,
course,
please.
of course, of course, of
Thank
course.
you. Thank
After
you.
this, yes, yes, yes. Thank you. Yeah.
Okay. Naila, your turn.
Left, right.
यहाँ भी.
Jasvardhan. Where's Jasvardhan? Oh, there he is.
Hello.
Oh.
Come on, bro.
So should I call you Jas or Jasvardhan?
Just
Jas. So
Oh.
Jas.
call me yours.
Whoa! Superb!
That was
Fantastic.
amazing.
That was amazing.
I didn't see that coming.
beyond amazing.
And that
Superb,
was
dude.
smooth.
I love it.
Damn smooth, huh, Jas? So just the question for you is, our film is Ishq Vishk Rebound. So have you ever, done a rebound or been in a situation where you either rebounded with somebody or you've experienced it for yourself?
I was in a relationship with a girl.
All right. That's a
for
good
it, bro.
start. That's a good start.
We got back just after my breakup. So I didn't mean to make her a rebound, but I realized I was looking for my ex in her. So eventually we broke up.
Oh, that's very honest.
Very honest.
And
Good
Very
job.
honest.
after we
Thank you.
broke up, I got back with my ex.
So you
Okay.
had 2 rebounds.
That's interesting.
We broke up too.
Okay.
Blush to dekho.
Are you basically now going to say you're single and that you want to take her out?
I don't mind.
He doesn't mind.
As long as she's not your rebound.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Okay. Thank you, Jess.
Thanks, Jas.
काफी
thank you.
enlightening था वो. We'll take one more question. Yeah, Rohit,
Yeah,
आपकी बारी.
All right. Ashi Ghia. Oh, hi Ashi.
आशी को माइक दीजिए.
You have such a lovely smile.
Thank you.
Okay, my question to you is, do you have a boyfriend? That's not my question, but I'm just asking for context.
I don't have a boyfriend. But if you want.
Yeah. I'm taking offers.
You know, I like how
I'm taking
she's
offer.
standing there. She's saying, "I don't have a boyfriend." वो side से बोली, बोल उसको. Love it, superb. No, so अच्छा, हमारी बात तो हम बाद में करेंगे. What I'm saying is, have you ever had a boyfriend?
Yeah.
Okay. So tell me, when you guys fight,
Yeah.
what would you do to make up for it? Or what would you like your boyfriend to do to make up for it?
I'll just say we communicate about our issues and then I'll slap him.
Lovely, best.
He allowed, eh?
Slap him!
Cute.
And then he laughs and the fight is over.
He laughs. Is he here?
So she has an image that I'm gonna have a fight with my boyfriend. Then we will make up, we will communicate. Then I will slap him. And then he will laugh. All of this is in her head. I love it. Thank you for basically giving me the template. If I were to ever be your boyfriend, this is what I have to
I
do.
won't slap you at all.
Huh?
I won't slap you, don't worry.
Oh, okay, fine.
You don't need to be scared.
Oh.
I'll just keep looking at you. And
Thank you so much. Thank you. You have a really beautiful smile. I'm so happy.
I'm a huge fan of yours, and if you don't mind, can I get an autograph?
Of course.
We'll do the pictures and
Most
autographs
definitely.
later, okay?
Thank you. Thank you.
ज़्यादा मौका दिया बास्केट में रख के घर ले जाएगी. Okay, Pashmina, your turn. Sorry.
Hem Shah. Oh, hi.
Where is him? Oh, hi, him.
So sweet you look.
Thank you.
Hello. So, my question for you is, have you ever given a very cheesy pickup line on a girl and what was it?
let's try right now, I guess.
Oh, yes.
Dude, I love this audience so much.
Okay, come on.
Okay, so we saw in the trailer that there's this line that do you believe in pyar, pyar? Do you believe in, sorry, do you believe in love, love? Do you believe in pyar, pyar? So what I mostly believe in is destiny.
Ooh.
And I think we're destined to meet right now.
That was amazing.
Thank
10
you.
on 10 for that.
So can I come and get you?
Wants to meet you.
Of course, we will.
अभी मिलेंगे करेंगे सब करेंगे मिलेंगे ना मतलब मुलाकात करेंगे we'll meet up जिब्रान your turn
Thank you
come
so much.
thank you rockstar
नीचे से नीचे से
कह दो ना, you are my Sonia. Where is Sonia? Absent? Payal?
Sonia's not here. Payal?
Payal? Okay, yeah. Samya.
Samya to aayi hogi. Are.
Arey yaar, everyone is there. I can't see. Okay, hi Samya. Yes, I can see something, but I can. Yes. Okay. Yeah, please.
जी
Hello.
जी जिब्रान come
Samya. Hi.
Hello.
Hi. Okay. Simple question. You watched our trailer?
Yes.
So there's a dialogue where I say, इस लड़की के चक्कर में तूने दोस्ती की बैंड बजा दी.
हाँ जी.
So in that context with you,
Yeah.
remove the ladki, put a ladka.
Yeah.
Has that ever happened with you?
I've never been in love, so I've never done that shit.
Oh.
I've never done that
Not
shit.
done a shot. Yes. Okay.
No, I haven't.
Okay. Just talk. Say something.
Say something.
Question over.
Nothing, I'm just nervous. You're so cute.
Okay. Okay. Thank you. Thank you so much. Yeah.
thank you okay मैम आपका टर्न
नाइला जी.
देखते हैं क्या होता है नाइला जी
आप लोग बोलो ना एक बार. नाइला जी. Yes.
Ashi. Ashi? Oh. Ashi? Ashi Ghia. Oh. one
आशी
more
कितनी
question.
कितनी
No,
पर्चियां
that was
डाली
mine.
Oh, you didn't take it off?
Dude, sorry.
He didn't take it off.
No, I did. There's two.
Okay, then I'll take one more.
Yeah.
Aryansh.
Aryansh Singh.
there he is
Oh, there he is.
there
I'm
you
on.
left
Hi. Okay, my question to you is pretty straightforward and simple. What are the qualities that you look for in your girlfriend or your future girlfriend or your future partner?
Or your future wife.
She
Your
should be
future
understanding.
wife.
First of all, I'm just speechless when I'm talking to Naila ma'am. So
I'm happy that I'm talking to you,
thank you, ma'am.
Aryansh Singh.
That's a lovely name.
Thank you, ma'am. Yeah, so basically, she should be understanding. Like, example, if there is a fight, so we should know how to communicate. Then second, even if there is a fight, we should know how to make up. Like,
Make out?
Make
or
out?
make up?
Nice, bro. Very nice.
make up.
Superb.
Both
That's
are
honesty.
True.
Not
Both
make
are
out,
true.
make up.
Both are
Us,
true.
bro, us.
You should know both.
I said make up.
Both are true.
Both, yeah.
Make out and make up.
In all honesty.
I am.
मेरा मम्मी
And
बैठी
I
है.
don't have anything
जिब्रान
else to
बोल
say
रहा है.
because I'm speechless, like I said.
Sorry, mummy.
Okay, good points. Guys, do you think he has anything else to add? Ladies, do you think there's anything else that he needs to add in his list?
Did he say make out?
I said
I
make
think
up.
we should add that.
You have anything to add?
Ask.
Yeah,
Say.
add to Aryansh Singh's
Add to
list.
heart.
They are not like the Ishquish boys ना, तो वो तो necessary होना ही चाहिए.
Oh. But he would.
तुम तो बड़ी
But Mr. Singh is happening, huh?
Happening?
Yeah, look.
Make out या make up?
Make up.
वो अगर आप लोग दोनों में से है तो make out.
अरे पगली इतना स्ट्रेट फॉरवर्ड नहीं होते पब्लिक में.
Don't worry, Mr. Singh, I'm coming to you after this.
Thank you so much. Thank you so much, ladies and gentlemen. एक बार जोरदार तालियां for these rock stars here. Thank you so much. और जिन लोग आप मैम उधर संपर्क करो, वो था ना कम्युनिकेशन वाला, थप्पड़ अप्पड़ वाला, बढ़िया मस्त मैच होगा. आप लोग वापस से आ जाइए. Thank you, buddy. इतना बुरा लग गया. Okay. Would also like to invite on stage Nipun sir one more time, sir, please, and Ramesh sir one more time. And it's over to our friends from the media. जो All right, I hope you all had fun, yeah? That was a cool interaction, right? मतलब इतने सारे सवाल and tables घूम गई थी आप लोगों से ये सवाल. So yes, कहाँ से आ रहा है पहला सवाल? Just let me know. जी, okay, Rahul. All right, here we go. जी.
Rohit, your center.
Sir? Yes.
Left. राहुल यार फ्रॉम द फिल्मी चर्चा. मेरा सवाल चारों स्टार कास्ट से है. ट्रेलर में एक लाइन था आपका कि इश्क विश्क में बैंड बज गई यार. तो रियल लाइफ में कभी ऐसा सिचुएशन आप चारों से?
एक सेकंड.
नहीं, आप ट्रेलर में वो लाइन था कि रियल लाइफ में सिचुएशन कभी ऐसी आई है आप चारों से?
ट्रेलर में लाइन ये है कि इस दोस्ती के चक्कर में इस विश्क के चक्कर में दोस्ती की बैंड बज गई. क्या वो सिचुएशन मेरी लाइफ में आई है या नहीं? बिल्कुल भी नहीं सर. मैं ऐसी जगहों पे जाता ही नहीं हूँ जहाँ पे मेरी बैंड बज जाए.
ग्रीन फ्लैग.
नहीं नो. सो मतलब प्यार में तो बैंड बजती है, वो बजी है, बट ऐसे दोस्ती की बैंड नहीं बजी है थैंकफुली.
आप चारों से सवाल तो सिचुएशन कैसे हैंडल करते हो?
इस इश्क विश्क के चक्कर में हमारी तो लाइफ बन गई है हम चारों की.
नहीं सर, मैं भी बहुत दूर रहता हूँ. सिंपल इश्क विश्क प्यार.
झूठ बोल रहा है ये.
मेरे दोस्त यहाँ बैठे. नहीं.
सेम फॉर मी. आई फील फ्रेंडशिप एक तरफ एंड इश्क विश्क एक तरफ. दोनों को अगर मिलाऊंगी तो बैंड किसी भी एंगल से किसी भी चीज़ को बजना नहीं चाहिए. सिर्फ किसी भी चीज़ को बजना नहीं चाहिए यार. जिब्रान यार, हिज माइंड ना. बट हाँ, दोनों चीज़ों को सेपरेट ही रखना चाहिए और अगर मिल भी जाए तो मिलजुल कर रहना चाहिए. किसी भी चीज़ का बैंड नहीं बजना चाहिए.
रमेश सर, योर लेफ्ट. ये 4 कोहिनूर हीरा कहाँ से निकाल के लाए आप?
थैंक यू सर, आपके लिए फ्री टिकट.
थैंक यू. रोहित को तो हम जानते थे, मतलब उसका काम देखा हुआ है और वैसा लगा कि राघव के रोल में ही इज़ द करेक्ट चॉइस. एंड पश्मीना एंड जिब्रान ने बहुत मतलब हमारी काफ़ी शॉर्ट लिस्ट में से इन्होंने बहुत अच्छा ऑडिशन दिया. एंड जब हमने पश्मीना को लिया भी था तो वी डिडंट नो दैट शी इज़ अ रोशन. उसने सिर्फ अपना नाम पश्मीना बताया था, तो हम लोग ने इवन निपुण ने उसको बहुत लाइक किया. एंड व्हेन वी साइंड द कॉन्ट्रैक्ट दैट टाइम वी केम टू नो दैट ये राजेश रोशन जी की बेटी हैं. तो यू नो, एंड जिब्रान भी मुझे बाद में पता, उसने ही बताया कि मैं केतरी जी का बच्चा मैं हूँ. तो मैं तो वो था. नायला का काम हमने देखा है, तो यू नो, तो इस हिसाब से कास्टिंग हुई है. थैंक यू.
Hello everyone, Pooja Nawathe here from Hotifly.
Hi buddy, how's it going?
Hi. The trailer looks outstanding and you all are looking so stunning.
Thank you so much
और
Pooja.
पश्मीना, आपके लिए 3 सिचुएशन है. ओके, तो आपको चूज करना है बिटवीन रोहित, नाइला, जिब्रान. इस सिचुएशन में आप किसको चूज करेंगे? ठीक है?
क्या सिचुएशन क्या है?
ठीक है.
अच्छा, आप बताएंगे.
हाँ, मैं
हाँ,
बताऊंगी.
ठीक है.
पहला सिचुएशन है प्रॉम नाइट.
हेलो.
रोहित. ओके, So you're on a very boring date.
Okay.
You have to make a rescue call.
Gypsy always.
और आपका बहुत बुरा breakup हुआ है and you want to vent out.
Naila.
Oh, so cute. Thank you so much.
Thank you.
रोहित आपको भी ऐड करना है ऐसे 3 सिचुएशन
नहीं नहीं, मैं बहुत खुश हूँ अभी. मेरा नाम उन्होंने लिया, मैं बहुत खुश हूँ.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Hi guys, Nawaz Kochraya from Indian Express.
Hi.
Hey buddy.
Hi.
Hello.
Hi.
How are you all?
Very good. How are you?
Very good.
I
Good to
must
see
say,
you
very
again.
cute trailer. The
Thank
trailer
you.
is very cute. Looking forward to the film. But my question is, firstly, so I have a question for Rohit, Gibran, as well as Ramesh sir. Sir, to start with you. So, जब 2003 में इश्क विश्क आया था, it changed the game in a way. You know, it brought instant stardom for Shahid Kapoor. And now, with Ishq Vishk rebound coming, to what extent do you think is this film going to be a game changer for these 4 budding amazing stars?
उस वक्त भी जब इश्विश आई थी तो एक नई पिक्चर थी, एक ऐसी कॉलेज फिल्म थी जो इसके पहले कभी आई नहीं थी. तो अभी मैं जो देख रहा हूँ, अभी जो इस माहौल में जो चल रहा है, अभी इतनी पिक्चरें जो आ रही हैं, एक्शन ये वो, तो उसमें मुझे ये लगता है डेफिनेटली ये पिक्चर डिफरेंट है, यंग है और आज के जनरेशन की कहानी है, आज की जो जनरेशन है उसकी कहानी है और उन्होंने सबने बहुत अच्छा काम किया है. और मैं आई एम वेरी होपफुल एंड पॉजिटिव दैट दीज 4 विल बी ऑल्सो बिग स्टार्स. थैंक यू.
So, Gibran, the next question is for you. So, you know, like Sir Ramesh sir mentioned that you never revealed that you were the Ketri ji ka bacha during the auditions.
Yes.
But, you know, playing Shah Rukh Khan and Kajol's on-screen son, has that ever, you know, has that weightage ever been there now that, you know, you are following into films?
No, not at all, not at all. I think, in fact, it's a privilege, it's an honor to play their child at such a young age. And I feel that the amount of love which has transcended over the years, it's unconditional. Like, even today, people give me that same love. And I just hope, you know, it continues with Ishq Vishk and inshallah, whatever happens in life. So there's no pressure, but there's just too much love. And yeah, there's too much love. Thank you.
Lastly, Rohit, how do you plan to tackle with all the comparisons to Shahid Kapoor?
Sir, I honestly, it's happened already. It started off with the title track when it released. Everyone compared. I think it's firstly a huge honor to even be compared to somebody as legendary as Shahid Kapoor. I have absolutely been a huge fan of him over the years, especially starting with Ishq Vishk, considering that was his first film. I remember watching him dance to the title track, which was actually a part of a massive medley. It was a small part of that. And I remember watching that and being in awe of how amazing a dancer he was. And of course, over the years, he's proven himself to be a phenomenal actor. So the moment I'm being compared to Shahid sir, I think it's a huge honor in the first place. But at the same time, it's an honor. I feel like I don't want... I take it in best spirits, sir, because in all honesty, I don't have that kind of pressure that I'm trying to fill his shoes, because it's a very different story. It's a very different story. The characters are very, very different, and so the situation in the film is very different. I've said this many times before in my interviews. I'm pretty certain you guys have heard it. I said it even during the title track launch, that it just belongs to the same franchise, the two films. There's nothing similar about the film. Of course, we've been fortunate. Thank you, Ramesh ji. Thank you, Nipun. Thank you, Jaya, our producer right there, for letting us, get those tracks back in our film to give us that honor. But in all honesty, sir, I honestly take it in the best spirit, and I feel, deep down, I feel very happy that somebody is comparing me, because I know that if I had to choose between Rohit and Shahid, I would always choose Shahid.
Wow, it's just 10 days to go, guys, so all the best.
Thank you so much.
Thank you so much.
Hello, sir. Ramesh Ji. Straight. This is Vinamra from First Post. My question to you is that you have always created fresh casting in your films, be it Saif and Ajay in Kache Dhage, Saif and Katrina in Race, Katrina and Ranbir in Ajab Prem, or the first Ishq Vishk. So when you decided to make this film Rebound, were you always clear that you have to create a fresh casting, not take anybody from the previous film?
या डेफिनेटली आई वाज क्लियर एंड ये यंगस्टर्स की पिक्चर है तो डेफिनेटली यंगस्टर्स ही लेने थे तो वो पहले से ही वो माइंड में था कि वी हैव टू कास्ट द फ्रेश पीपल हियर.
जानवी को नया माइक दीजिए प्लीज.
We can hear you.
Oh, we can hear you.
yeah.
Yeah, great.
Hi, this is Meghna here from Bollywood Helpline.
Sorry. I'm so sorry. Oh, I'm so sorry. I'm really sorry. Sorry, Meghna. Sorry.
ट्रेलर लुक्स सो अमेजिंग. बहुत टाइम के बाद एक रोम कॉम आ रही है और आई एम वेरी एक्साइटेड फॉर दिस फिल्म. मेरा सवाल आप चारों से है कि फ्रेंडशिप के ब्रेकअप ज़्यादा हर्ट करते हैं या रिलेशनशिप के?
ये बहुत भारी क्वेश्चन है. My best friend is right here. This is a very hurtful question.
बट फिर भी कुछ
No, I definitely think friendships के breakups ज़्यादा hurt करते हैं क्योंकि जब when you go into a friendship, you think this is going to be there with you for your life. A breakup, a relationship, you always have in the back of your mind that maybe this won't work out. But your friend, when they're not there with you, you always think about that. And that'll stay, it kind of stays with you for your life if it's a very close friend, I feel. So they're definitely worse.
Yeah, most definitely. I would say the same. I can't imagine my life without my two best friends, Rohan and Aisha, and it would break my heart if it has to come to that. I don't think I'll be able to handle that.
Okay. Likewise, I feel like friends are your foundation, and you bounce off all your ideas from them. And I feel like if you would lose a friend in a friendship breakup, I think that would hurt a little bit more than a romantically inclined relationship that you're having. But that being said, दोनों में बहुत तगड़ा दुख होने वाला है अगर either of the two were to happen.
So?
Yes. मेरे दो दोस्त बचपन के दोस्त यहीं बैठे हैं, मेरे बेस्ट फ्रेंड्स नर्सरी से, सूरज एंड जानवी. एंड वो हर मोड में मेरे साथ रहे हैं लाइफ में. तो अगर मैं उन्हें खो दूंगा तो मैं शायद फंक्शन नहीं कर पाऊंगा. सो आई थिंक फ्रेंडशिप ओवर रोमांस एनी डे. यस.
थैंक यू सो मच.
थैंक यू. चेक भिजवा देना.
Hi Naila, Neetu Singh from दैनिक भास्कर.
Hello. Hi.
ट्रेलर बहुत अच्छा है और बहुत खूबसूरत है, नया नया प्यार. एक सवाल मेरा आपसे है नायला कि शाहिद कपूर की शुरुआत हुई थी इश्क विश्क से और वो शामक डावर के स्टूडेंट थे. आप भी शामक डावर ग्रुप के स्टूडेंट हैं और आपकी भी शुरुआत हो रही है इश्क विश्क रिबाउंड से. खैर शुरुआत हो चुकी है लेकिन ये बहुत अच्छी और खूबसूरत शुरुआत है और एक बहुत ही खूबसूरत कनेक्शन है. इस इत्तेफाक पर आप क्या कहना चाहोगे?
खूबसूरत इत्तेफाक है डेफिनेटली. मैं बहुत छोटी थी एंड मैंने परफॉर्मिंग आर्ट्स शुरू कर दिया था, वेदर इट वाज थिएटर और डांस. एंड आई वाज वेरी हैप्पी दैट आई कुड बी एसोसिएटेड विद dancing gurus like Mr. Shamak Davar, Ashley Lobo. And yeah, I think it's a beautiful coincidence that both Gibran and I have a close relationship with Mr. Shamak Davar. We both have been students. In fact, he has even been a trainer. So for us to be even dancing to the title track of Ishq Vishk Pyar Vyar is it's quite surreal. कहाँ सोचा था बचपन में कि बड़े होके उसी गाने में हम नाचेंगे and वो ही hook step करेंगे. It's quite a pinch me moment and thanks.
Thank you.
Hi, Mayur here. To your left, Pashmina. Hi, Mayur here from Beyond Bollywood. To your right, sorry. I'm sorry, to your right.
Hello, Mayur sir.
Hi. मेरा एक hypothetical question है which I believe a lot of us must have faced or may not have faced in life. अगर आपकी दोस्ती रहती है किसी से एक शख्स से लंबे समय से और फिर ओवर अ पीरियड ऑफ टाइम वो शख्स आपसे इश्क करने लगता है लेकिन आपने उस शख्स को कभी उस नज़र से नहीं देखा, ऐसी स्थिति में उस दोस्त को कैसे मनाया जाए और क्या उसकी दोस्ती को कैसे बरकरार रखे, इस पर कुछ कह सकती हैं आप?
Oh my God, ये तो बहुत इंटेंस क्वेश्चन है. आई होप ये कभी किसी के साथ हो ना, बट अगर हो जाए तो आई थिंक इन लाइफ कम्युनिकेशन इज़ द solution to most problems. If human beings sit and interact and communicate without having judgment, most problems and most contentions can get solved. So communicate kare, we'll sit, we'll talk about it multiple times if it comes to that. But do whatever it takes for the friendship to not break. Like they've all said that your childhood friends or your closest friends, they're your rock. Without them, your life is nothing, literally. They're your chosen family, honestly. So you do whatever you can to not let that break. Yes.
Sir, over here, sir. यहाँ पे
फर्स्टली सॉरी टू यू, मैं आंसर करता हूँ पहले, फिर आपका सवाल जिनको भी आपको पूछिए. इनको मैनेज करना बहुत ही सॉरी बहुत ही सिंपल था. No, but it was they were a dream to work with, really. रोहित का सिर्फ अर्ली कॉल टाइम्स पे वो थोड़ा कहता था कि क्यों सुबह आना है 4 बजे.
पूरी बात बताओ, ये गलत बात है. आप बताइए उन्हें पहले कि मैं सबसे पहले आता था और मैं सबसे बाद में जाता था.
वो भी है. और हमने ज़्यादातर देहरादून मसूरी में शूट किया है, तो वहाँ पे ट्रैवल टाइम ज़्यादा होते थे. सो यू हैड टू वेक अप एट 4 एंड देन ट्रैवल 1.5 hours वगैरह. बट नो, अपार्ट फ्रॉम दैट नथिंग एल्स. दे वर अ ड्रीम टू वर्क विथ.
सर वही है सर. शारिक फ्रॉम स्टाइल लूना. और मेरा सवाल आप चारों से है कि मतलब इश्क विश्क की बात की जाए तो मतलब आप लोग कितना ओल्ड ट्रेडिशन इश्क में बिलीव करते हो या न्यू ट्रेडिशन इश्क में बिलीव करते हो? क्या है
क्या बात है सर, मज़ा आ गया, आपने जगा दिया सबको. मेरा आंसर सर, मैं थोड़ा ओल्ड स्कूल हूँ. आशिक, यस, ठैंक्स जीटी. तो मुझे थोड़ा वो ओल्ड स्कूल वाइब पसंद है. चिट्ठियाँ नहीं लिखता हूँ मैं, बट डेफिनेटली थोड़ा ठहराव है एंड कामनेस है. बट रही बात आज के दौर की भी, जो लव लैंग्वेज है उसमें भी कुछ गलत नहीं है. बट आई जस्ट थिंक हर टाइम, हर ईयर के साथ, हर जनरेशन के साथ द लव का वर्ड इवॉल्व्स बट द कोर स्टेज द सेम, आई फील. या
मेरा मानना ये है कि बिकॉज मैं 90s में मेरा ग्रोइंग अप फेज़ था, तो डेफिनेटली मैं उस ज़माने के प्यार से ज़्यादा रिलेट कर पाती हूँ. वो हवा में बाल उड़ना, साड़ियाँ ऐसे यहाँ वहाँ जा रही है, स्लो मोशन में मेरा हीरो भागते हुए मेरे पास आ रहा है.
फुल फिल्मी किसने बोला? फुल फिल्मी.
सो आई थिंक यही एक काइंड ऑफ आइडिया, अर्ली आइडिया होता है कि प्यार मेरा ऐसा ही होगा. हालांकि असली ज़िंदगी में तो ये सब होता नहीं है. बट मैं रियलाइज़ करती हूँ कि आज के ज़माने में लोग थोड़े फास्ट पेस्ड हो गए हैं प्यार को लेके. आज हमारे पास डेटिंग एप्स है, लेफ़्ट स्वाइप, राइट स्वाइप होते ही आप ब्रेकअप और पैच अप एंड रीबाउंड कर सकते हैं. आई नो दैट्स अ रियलिटी, बट मैं फिर भी उसी ज़माने की लड़की हूँ. मैं अभी वहाँ पे ही हूँ कि मेरा हीरो आएगा मेरे पास एंड मेरे बाल उड़ेंगे एंड
ब्लोअर लाइए प्लीज़.
वो सभी चाहिए मुझे, इसलिए तो मैं एक्टर बनी हूँ.
रोहित आप
सर मैं क्या बोलूँ, बस मिल जाए रोमांस. ओल्ड स्कूल न्यू स्कूल क्या ही फ़र्क पड़ता है. मतलब मैं क्या यहाँ पे बैठ. हाँ जी, ये करेक्ट है सर. मतलब जैसे नहीं, जो मिले वो अच्छा नहीं है दोस्त. ये नहीं बोला मैंने, बिल्कुल नहीं. आई एम सेइंग किसी भी तरीके से मिल जाए, उससे कोई फर्क नहीं पड़ता, बस मिल जाए.
पश्मीना आपका क्या कहना?
ऑफ कोर्स सर.
मेरी मम्मी इधर बैठी है तो उन्हीं का ख्याल आता जा रहा है. आई थिंक Mama and Papa have been married for at least over 32 years, and they still go on dates every day. They go to Geo Mall here and there. You will see them. I want a love like that. That's lasting, and there's romance in that age also. After so many years.
रमेश जी, रमेश जी और निपुण सर, मेरा सवाल आपसे भी है कि मतलब क्या हम लोग इस इश्क विश्क रिबाउंड में कुछ शाहिद कपूर का गेस्ट अपीयरेंस देख सकते हैं?
21 जून 21 जून को आपको पता चलेगा.
He just went back like that. Can't say.
All right, ladies and gentlemen, we'll take one more question.
Yeah, this side. Hi, this is Aruna from Bollywood Society.
Aruna.
Yeah.
Hi, Aruna.
Hi. My question is for all four of them. How do you relate with your characters?
Okay, so I've said this before. I did not relate so much with my character because I'm the type of person that I find it difficult to say no. And I think Sanya finds it difficult to hear no. So it was really unique to play her. But eventually, when I did play her, I really enjoyed that. I enjoyed setting boundaries and saying no and being a little bit of a gundi, if you can see in the trailer. So it was different, but now maybe we're kind of similar because I adopted some qualities from her into my personality too. Yes. You guys are too good, yeah.
Hello.
Oh, yeah. My character Raghav is actually very, very different than who I am as a person. So I don't necessarily relate to him at all because he's somebody who finds it very hard to say no to his friends. I mean, I do find it hard to say no to my friends also. But like he puts them above himself and he I think gets into situations that he does not belong to. He has boundary issues. He doesn't understand boundaries, and I feel like I do understand boundaries very well. So I think that's how we're very different. But I do relate on one aspect of his life is that he's very confused and he makes so many mistakes and then he immediately regrets it. So I feel like I do that too. So that's one bit where I resonated with him. But otherwise, it's a very different character than who I am as a person. Yeah. Thanks.
I actually resonated quite a bit with my character Ria. She's a vulnerable girl, but she's extremely headstrong and level-headed and fights for what's right. There are certain layers to her that I can draw in terms of seeing parallels between a Naila and a Ria, which was very exciting. I feel like I'm a little bit more fiercer than Ria as a person. So I had to bring out my vulnerable side, but that's the fun as an actor, to bring out something that's not you. So I feel like the vulnerability aspect was different, but the fact that she's strong-headed is very much Naila.
Oh, हाँ, मेरा भी है. So Sahir, my character's name is Sahir Singh Rajput, and Sahir, the similarity I feel between Sahir and me is Sahir is very sensitive and he's a giver and he'll do anything for his friends. And I think that is one quality which is similar between Sahir and me. That's it. I don't want to say more. Thank you.
Hi guys, this is Aina from Instant Bollywood. This side.
Hi.
Yes.
Hi.
Hi, Aina.
Hi, Aina. I love the energy of the trailer. I want to start off by saying that. But I have to ask that I'm sure at some point everyone's been through a heartbreak. What's your personal way of dealing with a heartbreak or a coping mechanism? And how important is it for you all to not break the bro code?
Oh, very important.
Oh.
Rohan. Very important. No, but I honestly, I think dealing with heartbreak looks very, very different, right? I'll wait. Done? No, what I was saying was dealing with heartbreak actually looks very, very different each day. You know, not even a single day is the same. I think sometimes you need to be by yourself to just process what happened. Sometimes you need. I've heard this new term called TLC, which is tender, that. So you need that from your friends. You know, sometimes you just need to not go to the gym. I think it just looks very, very different each day. So yeah, I feel like I think it's important to listen to your mind and your heart and just follow and give it what it wants. I think that's how I deal with heartbreak. Yeah. Thank you.
I think for me, what heartbreak has taught me is the importance of self-love. I feel like sometimes we forget to think about ourselves in a relationship and become too giving, which isn't the best way forward, maybe. So I feel like when I've experienced heartbreak, it has left me to realize that, hey, I need to take a step back and start loving myself, and maybe then I'll attract the right energy and the right people in my life. So yeah, self-love is key. Thank you.
Where are you? Oh, you're sorry. I thought it was in the train. Yeah, ma'am. Yeah, दिल तो बहुत टूटा है यार life में. But my way of dealing, I think I delete stuff from my phone and all of that. I'm sure people have done that. And yeah, I just like to not hold on to the memories. And I think it's time to move on. प्यार का second round, 21st June. Quick rebound, please come. Yes.
Nice
Thank you.
plug in.
Nice
plug in.
Okay, I think there is nothing a good cry and then some good food can't solve. So I want to go and binge and eat every single thing. That includes first 6th Road Bhelpuri wala ka sukha bhel, medium spicy. Oh my god, I want to go and do that right now.
Yeah, hi. Congratulations, guys. Fantastic trailer. I'm Mayur from.
Sir,
Radio
can't see you,
Talk.
can't see you. Can't see you.
Please, yes.
Hi.
My question is for Nipun sir. Sir, a lot of Marathi filmmakers are making their inroads into Bollywood and they are leaving their mark. As a regional filmmaker, what is the lure of Bollywood for you?
What is the?
Lure. What?
Lure म्हणजे?
Attraction.
Attraction of Bollywood. I think reaching out to more people here. I mean, continuing to make Marathi films, there is, after a point of time, a limited audience to that. But once you start making films in a language that many people understand and a lot of people speak and a lot of people watch, so I guess just reaching out, scaling up a little bit, that's about it.
Thank you. And my second question is for that you got from Ritik, your cousin, that you also passed on to your co-stars.
That I passed on to my co-stars. I
Yep.
don't think they need advice from me. They're really amazing. But honestly, that's an interesting question. I would say that the main advice that I've gotten from him is to work very hard and very diligently, put your 100% in everything, which I think they already did. Everyone has put in a lot of effort, blood, sweat, and tears in this project, and I hope it translates, and I hope you guys have enjoyed the trailer, and I hope you guys come on 21st June and enjoy as much. Thank you guys.
Pasmina and
Okay, we take G. Yeah.
Okay,
Hello.
okay, last.
Hello.
हाय पश्मीना एंड आप चारों से सवाल है कि फिल्म की शुरुआत हो चुकी है, करियर इस फिल्म से आप लोगों के करियर की शुरुआत हो गई है. सो वो ऐसे कौन कौन से एक्टर हैं इस फिल्म के बाद जिनसे आप बहुत ही इंस्पायर्ड होते हैं, जिनकी फिल्में आप लोग बहुत देखते हैं, आने वाले दिनों में आप उनके साथ में काम करना चाहते हैं?
किसने बोला?
जिब्रान आपसे भी स्टार्ट कर सकते हैं.
Okay, I heard Shahrukh from behind. Yes, of course, Shahrukh Khan, 100% Shahrukh Khan. और जो भी.
I really like Manoj Bajpayee's work, and and I would love to work with someone like Manoj Bajpayee, Rajkumar Rao, Vikrant Massey. These are my favorites.
So for me, I've always said it, I can't wait for the day I get to work with Shefali Shah ma'am. I think she's an incredible actress and I'm such a huge fan. Also Vidya Balan ma'am. I think there's just this really endearing quality about her that makes you want to keep watching her. And I want to meet her and I want to keep watching her and I want to learn that quality. So, and watch her, yes. So,
I would really, I'm manifesting it right now, like to work with Ranbir Kapoor. And my second manifestation, I would love one day to do a film with my cousin as well, Ritik. Yes.
Okay, ladies and gentlemen, one last question, yeah? Finally.
Hi everyone, this is Hesha from India Today. Lovely trailer, super cute. I'm obviously going to ask a question to Gibran since we're all friends, we know each other since forever.
Yes.
I'm going to end this thing on love. Gibran, you spoke about old school love and green flag energy. Tell me 3 things according to you that's a green flag that you seek out in your partner.
Oh, I think it's a very universal thing. I think loyalty, respect, and ambition. I feel that those 3 things are very important for me in my relationship. And yeah, simple, sweet. Yes, thank you. Yeah. Thank you so much. Thank you.
Thank you.
Well, that's all we have for you, ladies and gentlemen. Thank you so much. Ek baar zordar taaliyan for this amazing team here. And Jate Jate, of course, it's time for a final photo op. But फैंस को सरप्राइज मिला मुझे मीडिया से जो हमारे फ्रेंड्स है वो लोग बोल रहे हैं हमारे सरप्राइज का क्या हमको भी तो मौका मिलना चाहिए अरुणा ने बोला जानवी ऑफ कोर्स सो यू विल गेट योर मौका टू कम अप ऑन स्टेज and shake a leg with Rohit, of course, on Sony. लेकिन उससे पहले we'll have a quick photo op with the team, ladies and gentlemen. Come. Shoot.
अब रुक जा भाई सबर कर ले थोड़ा कुछ बोलना हो तो एम्बुलेंस चालू है
पूजा और कौन आ रहा है सोनी भाई we'll do it on Sony
सारा अरुण को देख रहे अरे नचन ओ भाई बैठो भाई
And the big news is the trailer is already trending on #1, ladies and gentlemen. Double pre-tape boss. And we have to do Sony, so DJ, are we ready with the sound?
पीछे बैठ गया बेटा
All right, thank you so much, ladies and gentlemen. I want my stars back on stage, yeah, for Sony, and of course the hook step you're gonna teach us all. All right, thank you so much, ladies and gentlemen, for being so awesome. And as I told you earlier also, the trailer is trending at #1, ladies and gentlemen, Ishq Vishk Rebound. 21st June is when we get to see it in theaters. And that's all we have for you. Thank you, Pashmina. Thank you, Rohit. Thank you, Gibran. And thank you, Naina.
जिब्रान का ले कपड़ा निकालो
ले लिया भाई मेघना का मेघना मेघना का ट्राइपॉड लेके आना गए वो लोग बस करो भाई हो तुम बस छाप ना तू कौन बोलो छाप नहीं बस करो चल भाई ट्राइपॉड दे दे चल लाइट बंद करो भाई लाइट बंद करो